Hello everyone. I will be going over your asynchronous assignment instructions for today, but it also really is for the week because this is week 3 of our optical illusions project. And so number 1, if you are done with your optical illusion, remember you need to draw one either on paper or using an online tool like Google Drawing. Then if you're done with your drawing, then you are ready to go to the last step, which is creating some slides, and you're going to either take a picture of it if it's a paper drawing and insert it into some Google Slides that you will be adding to your assignment. Or if you did your drawing online, like using something like Google Drawing or an app of your preference, then you're going to need to take a screenshot of it. And to take a screenshot using a Chromebook, remember you're going to hold down the rectangle with the 2 lines and the shift and the control keys. So these keys that are outlined in red are what you need to press to take a screenshot with a Chromebook. You'll want to look at these purple slides right here. These tell you what needs to go on each of your slides. So you're going to be creating a title slide, so make sure it has the title of the project, Optical Illusions, with your first and last name. And then if you look through these purple slides, it tells you what needs to go on each of the 5 slides. So you need to include 5 slides. So your title slide, and then a project reflection. This is where you're going to put your screenshots. So you're going to paste your screenshots on your project reflection slide, and then you can include any information about what you did to accomplish your goal, what you might be most proud of, or what might you do differently, and then your what you learned slide. Again, these purple slides tell you some ideas that you could put on there. You might want to put more screenshots of your optical illusion drawing that you did, but then this is where you could put some information that you learned, like what were some of the types of optical illusions that you learned about. And then problems and solutions is slide number 4. You're talking about what maybe didn't work the first time, what maybe was frustrating or difficult, and how did you solve it, or what did you do to fix it. And then slide number 5 is the biggest takeaway. So that's talking about maybe like how could you use one of these skills in the future, or how could this apply to the real world outside of class. And that includes making the slides, not just the optical illusion itself. So again, these purple slides tell you everything that you need to include on the slides that you are creating. And remember, the last slide here has some really good tips, just like when we talked about with your All About Me slides, including things like graphics, including things like large font, and these are things that we can continue to edit next week if we need to. All right, that's all for now. I will create a separate video if you're not sure how to insert slides. And by insert, I mean add them to your assignment. Have a great day, everybody.